Before RGB and ray tracing, there were 4 sewer-dwelling heroes and Saturday morning cartoons. And today, we're turning that into a custom gaming PC inspired by Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Stick around through the trials and watch the nostalgia come to life. This is the Deepcool CH690 Digital, and I'm loving the little green accents here. And it got me thinking, I've always wanted to do a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles build. I think this is the appropriate case for it. So we're gonna take this case, we're gonna tape it all up, because I wanna get some green paint on this bottom panel and this panel, and do some black flicks, and then we'll get some customization underway once we get all of the parts installed. Remember that bike-powered gaming PC I built? The one that ran off the gas-powered generator. Well, we've leveled up. Meet the Blue Eddy Elite 200 V2. No emissions, no noise, just pure portable power. Do you think we should do a version 2 of that build? This thing has real-time battery monitoring, so no more sudden shutdowns mid-game. Though maybe that's a good thing if you were about to miss that headshot anyway. With up to 3,900 watts in powerlifting mode, you can run serious setups. It's got over 2,000 watt hours capacity, charges up to 80% in just over an hour. And yep, solar, car charging, or dual mode charging are all options. It's whisper quiet at low loads, running under 16 decibels, runs under 50 decibels at max, and can power up to 7 devices all at once with both AC and DC output. And it's not just for gaming, it's perfect for camping, RVing, or off-grid projects. Super compact, long lasting, and built with automotive grade batteries for 6,000 plus cycles. If you're curious, I'll drop the link down below. For the motherboard specs, I ended up going with the Z890 Hero from Asus. Also went with the Intel Ultra 9 285K and a FireCuda 540 NVMe and 32 gigs of RAM. Now, necessarily, I wouldn't choose these specs. I just had these on hand. I'm actually more after the looks for this particular system, and to be honest, I would never recommend this motherboard anyway. I think all hardware is overpriced these days. I'd never pay over $1,000 for a motherboard. I think it's just stupid. And I'll always be honest about that, guys. If I think that something is overpriced, I'll always let you guys know. Oh, look at that. That is crisp. That looks so good. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy with that. So I've only got one pack of the reverse fans. I put them on the back. For the top here, I wish I had another pack, but I'm not too worried about the airflow anyway, because this is going to be an open build. I'm going to leave all of the glass off. So I'm actually thinking, instead of putting these in reverse and then you can't see the RGB ring, I think I might actually just put them this way. Seems airflow is not really going to matter because it's completely open, because it looks better that way. I think that's what I'm going to do. After all, I'm after looks for this PC. Let's get them installed. As much as I love these fans, we're gonna have to switch them out for some of these because I need it looking uniform. We just can't have 3 different fans up the top of the build and then have the rest different. So we'll get them installed. and the build is alive. It's amazing what some simple mods can do to actually bring a system together. And I have to thank Deepcool for seeing the vision and partnering with us for this particular build. And I'll leave all of the specs in the description if you wanted to check those out further as well. I want to get back into the themed builds, guys. So let me know down in the comments what theme you guys would like to see come to life. Whether that's something from a childhood memory or something more recent, a movie, a video game you like, let me know, and consider subscribing, guys. Please turn on those bell notifications as well. And if you want to support us in this journey, consider becoming a member. Now, there's actually another really cool themed build that we did up here right now. I forget what side it's on, but go check it out. Trust me, you guys will be blown away. Thanks for watching.